Hi everyone, it's Lisa Brown with Ink and Inspirations, and today we are going to make this easy, super easy Halloween treat pocket. I'm using the sticker sheet and designer paper combo Halloween spells from Stampin' Up, and I have a piece of the pumpkin pie print cut, and I'm going to cut it at 4 by 6 and do some scoring here. So I'm just going to slide it in the trimmer, cut off that 4-inch piece, and I'll get 2 treats out of this one strip of paper. So next we're going to score at 1 1/2 inch and 4 1/4 of an inch, and then I'll turn it around to what will be the bottom and score at 1/2 inch. This is where you'll need to make note of the direction of the pattern of your paper so that you can score the bottom correctly. So I'm burnishing on the score lines, and I am going to trim off some of those tabs so that we can assemble the treat pocket. So those 2 end tabs are going to come off, and then I'll do some angle cuts just for a neater look when the pocket is assembled. So all we need to do to assemble is put some adhesive on that right side and fold it over, it overlaps, and then do the bottom, and then that little pocket will hold a small little candy bag. Now, I am using these 3 strips from the sticker sheet as little accents for all the little pockets that I'm going to make. So I'm trimming off the edges so that I can just cut equally all across and just choose the color that will correspond nicely with the designer paper that I'm using. So in this pack, we have pumpkin pie, basic black, granny apple green, and gorgeous grape. So here you see me cutting apart the strip at 2 inches, and so I have enough to put on my little treats. So now we'll just need to get the pocket and pull off one of the ones of our choosing, and I decided to go ahead and angle cut the ends here just for interest before I adhered it to the front of the pocket. So I'm going to use Playful Ghost stamp set and 2 of the images with a 1 1/4 inch square piece of granny apple green, and I'm stamping the little bats and then the trick or treat sentiment. And to make that pop a little more, I'm going to sponge around the edges with my sponge dauber, and that's Memento Black ink. So all I have to do now is put this on, and this would be fine, finished just like this, but I decided to have some fun with those sticker sheets and just add and do some different placements for the pockets. So I hope you'll give this a try. It's super easy to do and makes a fun little pocket to put in Halloween treats. If you enjoyed this video, I hope you will like and subscribe to my channel. This is Lisa Brown with Ink and Inspirations, inspiring you to create, share, and make a difference. Take care. Bye-bye.